Hello again, it's Sherman Gardner from Young Truck and Trailer. This week we're going to do a quick walk around on this great trailer from Load Trail. This is a flatbed trailer with a special deck on it, and it's built to last. It's called Blackwood, and it's a rubber coating that goes on the deck. You can see on there, a little different than a standard wood deck. This thing has stake pockets all the way around. It's got the never adjust suspension on two 5,000K or 5K, excuse me, axles. So you've got a 10,000 GVW. This one has the beaver tail with the ramps. The ramps are stored in the trailer on the back right here. Of course, all these Load Trail trailers have LED lights on them all the way around. And this one's got the heavy duty tie down hooks on front and rear. It's got the drive over style metal fenders that will allow you to put something a little wider on it and get up in front of it. This trailer's been specially priced. Come out and see us, and we'll make you a special deal on it. It comes with a spare tire mount on it and the toolbox in the front for odds and ends. So twin 5/16 inch ball. It's a great little trailer. Come out this week and take it for a test drive. Take care.